Lake Anna State Park. It is late June, and as you can see, there are basically no cars in the parking lot. So we are looking at maybe 5 people in the whole park today, so we have it all to ourselves. Down left are a lot of popular common trails that people take. There's a beach here we'll show you, and then there's a picnic area over here. I don't know the names too well. I think we're going to be taking the Mill Pond Trail next into the Pigeon Run, which is what probably 90% of the people who visit the park take. So we got a pier down here, which I'll show you, and then we got an overlook for fish side of the pier right here. And here's the other one. This first path kind of wraps around the edge of the water here, so you're getting a good view of the water the whole time. So we're going to take this trail down. It says Railroad Ford, but I don't think that's actually the name of it. So we reached the one end of that trail, so I guess we're going to go, so we're at Glenora now, so I guess we're going to take a right and then we're going to go back left. Saw a little side fork on the Glenora trail. There was kind of a bunch of trees had fallen down over the path, and so there's this cool little amphitheater, and it looks like an observation deck back here. Not really an observation deck because there isn't much of a view. Going back to the main area, there is where the fishing deck is. There is a nice little observation lounge, and there was a trail around that entire loop. Here we have our shower room. We have the concession area, which I think is closed for the day. Yep, definitely closed. And we have I didn't realize these existed. So this is the end of that trail. There's a cool little island out there I always wanted to explore. I don't know how you get to it, but little pavilions and picnic benches out here. Usually it's pretty quiet, not too many people come out here. So we're gonna head on back, and then we're gonna take our bike and we're gonna explore some of the campsites. Okay, so here's the campsite. So there's different sizes. I guess here's your basic pop a tent kind of deal. And then they have a kind of yurt kind of deal. And they also have a bunch of fancier cabins which vary in size. Okay, so coming back from the campgrounds, we have a visitor center, and there's also, I believe this is the equine. I've seen people park here with horse trailers to take the trails. Down the other end, they have more deluxe cabins for multiple people. And here's some more that are kind of overlooking the lake. Then they have a couple super massive houses. And we're going to take this trail here. I'll have to look up which one it's called, but it's one that very few people take. We're actually going to take Pigeon Run to Gold Hill Trail. This is a trail that looks like the state of Virginia. It's the most out there. I don't think maybe, but a couple of people every week take it.